Welcome to the Skill Matrix, your comprehensive map of instructional design competencies. The matrix organizes skills into 7 major categories. Each category contains multiple competencies, and each competency has specific skills to master. Skills are numbered for easy reference. The first number represents the category, the second number is the competency, and the third number is the skill within the competency. Click any category to expand and see its competencies. Use the search bar to quickly find specific skills. This will help you easily locate the skills you are looking for. You can begin the evaluation process by clicking on any skill to open the detail panel. Choose how you would like to evaluate the skill. For now, we are going to use the self-evaluate process. We'll discuss the AI-assisted process a little later. You'll see the skill description and your current progress. If you have not yet evaluated the skill, it will show as not evaluated, and that's okay. This is a marathon, not a sprint. You don't have to evaluate everything right away. In fact, that would be the worst way to begin the process. Be purposeful and take your time, reflecting and strategically addressing the skills one at a time. Rate your current proficiency: beginning, intermediate, advanced, or professional. Set your desired proficiency level where you want to be. Choose priority: low, medium, or high. Choose a status: not started, in progress, or completed. Add notes about your learning strategy or progress. Although it is a good idea to complete all fields on this screen, your current and target proficiencies are the most important fields to complete. This will trigger the system to include the skill in the sections of the app that help you improve and grow this skill level. Click Save Changes to record your self-assessment. Completing a skill evaluation will reward you with experience points. You will also receive experience points when you return later to reevaluate a skill. Remember, you are looking to grow your skills over time, and a reevaluation that shows improvement is proof that you are growing that skill. If you are not sure how to evaluate your current proficiency, there's a function in the app called Skill Evaluator that will connect you with the PowerUp AI for an interactive evaluation of your skill level. We'll take a closer look at that function in the next section. The color-coded badges show your proficiency levels at a glance. Gray means not evaluated yet, orange is beginning, blue is intermediate, green is advanced, yellow is professional. Visit your dashboard to see how your matrix evaluations contribute to your power level. The progress bars show your journey from current to desired proficiency. The skill matrix is your roadmap. Regularly update it to reflect your growth and guide your learning decisions.